Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to spruce up your PowerPoint presentations with custom icon colors, you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling how to change icon color in PowerPoint 2025 Feed, a quick, easy process that can make your slides pop. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone who loves creating engaging visuals, this tutorial will get you up to speed in no time. Let's dive right in. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and navigate to the slide with the icon you want to change. If you don't have an icon yet, go to the Insert tab, click on Icons, search for what you need, and add it to your slide. Once it's there, click on the icon to select it. You'll see the Format tab light up at the top of the screen. That's your gateway to customization. Now, in the Format tab, look for the Shape Styles or Shape Fill section. Click on the Shape Fill drop-down menu, and you'll see a color palette full of options. Choose a color that matches your theme, or for something more precise, select the eyedropper tool. This lets you pick a color directly from another part of your slide or image, super handy for maintaining consistency. After selecting your color, the icon should update instantly. If it doesn't, double-check that the icon is still selected and try again. Pro tip: if you're dealing with multiple icons, use the Selection pane, found under the Home tab, to manage them easily and apply the same color changes across your slide without any hassle. Once you're happy with the results, preview your slide by going to the slideshow view. This ensures everything looks perfect before you present. And remember, PowerPoint 2025 has some cool new features, like better color suggestions based on your theme, so experiment and have fun. There you have it. Changing icon colors in PowerPoint is straightforward and can elevate your presentations dramatically. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.